Every 24 hours, our AI assistants sweep across your market, capturing things like new product launches, new promotions, financial results, company news, and leadership changes. Each alert is then summarized, categorized, and stored in your own unique knowledge base. The AI assistants then access this knowledge base to answer your questions and generate new content like reports and presentations. Let's try our content creator assistant now. I'll start asking our content creator to suggest trending topics, hashtags, and viral content based on our industry trends that we can use to generate content ideas. So just give a few seconds to load. And we can see that this is a really great way to show the content breakdown and really get a clear overview of what's happening in the industry. Another great feature of our assistants is that you can actually start a multi-threaded conversation and dig deeper into any topic you want to explore further. So I'm gonna ask an additional question to the assistants. Recommend some topics we could make a video for. And I'm gonna send it. And again, it's showing me some great ideas of different video contents that I can explore. So these are already some really good suggestions. I'm going to go a step further to get even further support and ask another question. And I'll ask, create a script for the first episode. And as you can see, it gives me a super detailed script to really help me kick off this first video episode and help with our marketing efforts and really boost engagement. I can now invite my social media colleagues to this conversation, and we can really start putting this into practice. WMC.Ai allows you to effortlessly research and explore your market and create new content, saving you and your team days of manual effort. Give it a try today.